Hey everyone, how's it going? I figured I'd do a bike check. Here riding my bike. There's some footage before this, just because I threw it in there because I was here riding. So my grips are ODI long necks with the ODI bar ends. Bars are Shadow VULTUS 9-inch rise, about 27 wide maybe. I cut them down. You got a PRIMO Annihilator stem, version 1. I think Cane Creek headset, I guess. Forks are PRIMO STRAND version 2s. Tioga street block tire up front. G-Sport plastic peg over there with a PRIMO N4 flangeless hub, PRIMO spokes. A lot of PRIMO on my bike. My frame is a CARDINAL Ambassador. It's re-welded right here and right here. Whole top tube is re-welded back on because it snapped on me twice. No wonder they went out of business. Shadow pedals, I don't know the name of them. PRIMO power bites, I've had them forever. PRIMO analog light sprocket with a regular KMC chain and a PRIMO bottom bracket. PRIMO 330 seat post, animal stitched seat. Premium refuse resist tire in the back. Don't know how big it is, 2.3 maybe, and this is, I don't know, 2.25 maybe. We got Ted over here. Over here you can't see it, well you kind of can back there, but it's a animal peg with an FBM hub guard. Federal version 2 FREECOASTER hub. And I didn't say my rims, my front rim, but it's the same as the back. It's a PRIMO Balance 7000 series rim. The back one is super bent and it's like impossible to true now because it's so bent. I just pretty much gave up on it. But yeah, that's my bike. Don't know how much it weighs. Gets the job done though. I was originally gonna paint the bars black, but I just figured I'd leave them just cause. No real specific reason. But yeah, that's my bike. Figured I'd just do a bike check since I was here and it's a new year and you know, people want to know what my bike is. I haven't really bought any new parts in a really long time. That peg is the first part I bought in forever. And I really only have 3 stem bolts up here. This one is stripped so it doesn't tighten. And yeah, so that's kind of sketchy, but I ordered new stem bolts, so they should be here sometime soon, I hope. But yeah, that's my bike. See you guys later. I'm going to continue riding. Skate park is all free until all the kids get out of school, which is in the next half hour or so, so we'll see what happens. It's pretty wet still. Like the ledges are all wet still and stuff. And my landing over here is all wet. But whatever. Okay. I'm gonna get back to riding. See you guys later. Bye.